Want that French house distinct sound without stacking 5 plugins? Meet Vive La France, a plugin by Bergwall of LoPass. One plugin. LoPass, phaser, downsampling, pumping, all built in. Or as we like to call it, le muffle, le spiral, le punk, le pump, le glue, le distance, and le filter. From muffled Daft Punk vibes to dirty 80s sampler crunch, to insane sidechain pumpety pump. Dial it fast, break it harder. If you make house, disco or electronic music, this plugin does the heavy lifting. Vive la France. Turn it on, feel the pump. Buy it at loopsfx.com today.